Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So the process of hearing is very important. So this Krishna consciousness movement is to propagate that you hear from the authority, Krishna. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is accepted in the present age and in the past age. In the past age, great sages like Narada, Vyasa, Asita, Devala, very, very great stalwart scholars and sages, they accepted. In the Middle Age, say 1500 years ago, all the acharyas like Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhyacharya, Nimbarka, practically Indian Vedic civilization, it is still existing on the authority of this Acariji. And it is recommended in the Bhagavad-gita, Acariji Upasanam. If you want to learn factually things, then you should approach Acariji. Acaryavan Purusha Veda. One who has accepted Acarya, he knows things as they are. Acaryavan Purusha Veda. So, we are receiving knowledge through the Acharyas. Krishna spoke to Arjuna. Arjuna spoke to Vyasadeva. Arjuna actually did not speak to Vyasadeva, but Vyasadeva heard it, Krishna speaking, and he noted down in his book Mahabharata. This Bhagavad-gita is found in Mahabharata. So we accept the authorities of Vyasa. And from Vyasa, Madhyacharya. From Madhyacharya, so many disciplic succession up to Madhavendra Puri. Then Madhavendra Puri to Ishar Puri. From Ishar Puri to Lord Chaitanya Dev. From Lord Chaitanya Dev to 6 Goswamis. From 6 Goswamis to Krishnadas Kaviraj. From him, Srinivas Acharya. From him, Vishwanath Chakravarti. From him, Jagannath Das Babaji. Then Gaur Krishna Das Babaji, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, my spiritual master. The same thing we are preaching. That is Krishna consciousness movement. It is nothing new. It is coming down from the original speaker, Krishna, by disciplic succession. So we are reading this Bhagavad-gita, not that I have manufactured some book and I am preaching. No. I am preaching Bhagavad-gita. The same Bhagavad-gita as it was first spoken 40 millions of years ago to the sun god, and again it was repeated 5,000 years ago to Arjuna. The same thing is coming down by disciplic succession, and the same thing is presented before you. There is no change. So the authority says, Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumanam yauvanam jara tatha dehantram prati dhirasattva. So, we request simply people that you accept this authoritative knowledge and try to assimilate it by your intelligence. It is not that you stop your argument and intelligence simply blindly accept something. No. We are human beings. We have got intelligence. We are not animals that we shall be forced to accept something. No. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. In this Bhagavad-gita you will find. You try to understand. Tad vidhi. Vidhi means try to understand. Pranipat. Pranipatena means surrendering. Not by challenge. A student should be very submissive to the spiritual master. Otherwise, he will be bewildered. Submissive, reception. Our process is Tasmat gurum prapaddeta jigyasu se uttamam abdi parecha nisnatam brahmani upasamasrayam. This is the injunction, Vedic. If you want to know things which is beyond your conception, beyond your sense perception, then you must approach a bona fide spiritual master.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna